you like clean fiber connectors? Well, we at trueCABLE do, and you should also. Hi, this is Ben with trueCABLE, and we're going to talk about our new fiber optic cassette cleaner. Let's get started. So here we have some of our fiber optic cleaning products, and we want to introduce our new fiber optic cassette cleaner. But first, let's go through some of the ones that we currently have and then show the difference between how our new fiber optic cassette cleaner will work in relation to the current cleaners that we have. So first off, we have our MTP fiber optic cleaner, and this is designed specifically for fiber optic MTP connectors, MPO connectors, both 12, 8, 12, and 24 fiber. Now this is very specific to that connector itself, but the great thing about it is you can also use it within the port on a patch panel. The other option we have is an LC connector, click cleaner, which is very normal in the industry, used for LC connectors. And then finally our SC, FC, and ST connectors. A lot of S's there. So this connector, or this cable cleaner, will work also within a port on a patch panel. So these are very specific to their connector types, but they also have a very kind of a unique use case in that they'll also work within the patch panel ports. The other option that is being used less out there, but is still available, is the fiber cleaning wipes. Now these are tending to kind of be used less because they'll leave a little bit more dirt, debris. They get oils from your fingers as you're using them. These are mostly used for cleaning a fiber that you've stripped off and you're getting ready to cleave. That's typically what wipes are used for. But when it comes to cleaning the connector end faces, it's really best to use either this cassette cleaners or the click cleaners that we offer. Now our new fiber optic cassette cleaner, which you'll see here, is a trueCABLE product, and this is actually a little bit different device, where these are very specific to their connector types. This one here is able to be used with all different types of connectors. Now it's not something that works within a patch panel port like we talked about with the others, but it will work with all of the different connector types here. So I have an MTP cable connector, for instance. I've got an SC connector and also an LC fiber optic connector. So if we open this up here, we can kind of just go through the features of this product real quickly. So it comes packaged there in a nice plastic wrap. The device itself is pretty simple and straightforward. The surface itself is a white clear type of a pad that allows no static buildup. Is very easy to remove any dust or debris from your fiber optic connector. And then it has this nice little sliding door to protect it when it's not in use. So that's a nice little feature. And then the handle, in order to advance that cleaning surface, is a very simple, just one click type of a process. Makes it really easy to advance that. And as you look at it, you can see it moving forward in advancement. The other thing about this, which is really nice, is if you're wanting to do a deeper clean of a fiber optic connector, say for instance that fiber optic connector has some embedded dirt or debris, you can actually drop a little bit of alcohol onto this pad. You can do what's called a wet clean first, and then you can advance it forward a couple clicks and then do a dry clean. And typically that will allow the fiber optic connector to remove some of those little bit more embedded, hard to get pieces of dirt. But just real quickly, we'll show you how easy it is. So with an MTP connector, we simply take the connector itself and we just slide it across the surface in a forward motion like this. And you can do it a couple times, 2, 3 times, and now it's ready to inspect to make sure that you've gotten any of your dirt or debris off of the actual cassette, off of the connector. Additionally, with our SC connectors, same way. I'd like to show here in this example, we've got a dirty connector. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here to our fiber optic scope that we have. This is a handheld scope that's made by Fluke. And there's various different types of scopes you can get out there. There's video scopes like this one here. There's handheld scopes where you would just look into it through your eye. The video scopes are a much nicer way to go because they allow for you to visually see it on a screen, and it's a little bit easier to pick up and notice the dirt. It magnifies a lot better. So that's why we're using that here in this case. So if we look at the screen here, we can see that we've got a pretty good amount of dirt and debris on that connector. So if we take it now and we do a clean of that connector, we'll give it a couple advancements there of the cassette cleaner, and then we'll do the same thing as we showed with the MTP cable. Is we'll do a forward motion like this, just forward on the pad. You can give it a couple, 3, 4 swipes, and then now we can plug it back in to our connector, and look at that. Beautiful. Completely clean, not a spot on it. Our end face looks really, really clean and nice, and now we're ready to actually connect the fiber optic connector to our port. So that's basically one of the great features about this cassette cleaner is it's very versatile, can be used with all the different connector types that we talked about. The great thing about it is you would just need this one tool, and that would allow you to connect or to clean any of your fiber optic connector types. The others that we carry also are great for very specific connector types. If that helped you, if you're looking for a good cleaning product, if you're looking for a type of cassette cleaner that allows for quick and easy cleaning, this cassette cleaner would be recommended for you as a product. And it works well, as I said, along with the other ones that we offer. And as you can see from our Fluke demonstration here with our fiber optic inspector, it creates a great clean surface on that fiber optic end face. Again, one of the great things about something like this tool here is that it will allow you to test to the IEC 61300-3 certification. And so if you've got this tool here to make a nice clean surface on your end face, and you've got something like this to be able to test it and verify it, you're ready to go. So I hope you like this video. I hope you reach out and give us any feedback, comments. Please like and subscribe the video, and as always, happy networking.
I hope you enjoyed that fiber video. Interested in learning more? Please check out either our Cable Academy up here, and if you really want to see more, check them out here.